Hi, it's time to mark your calendars for 2025 Ag Day at the Capitol, which will be on March 19th. This is the day we invite all of our friends, legislators, staffers, and others at regulatory agencies to join us on the west steps of the Capitol for demonstrations to meet the people, the youth, the equipment, the critters, everything that's fun, delicious, beautiful flowers, and everything else that makes Ag such an exciting place to be. This year's theme is one I'm especially happy about. It's Ag at Work, cultivating careers and communities, really putting a focus on everything beyond the farmer and the important farm workers to all the career opportunities in agriculture. It could be everything from drone operators to pest management, irrigation technology, equipment, maintenance, and welding. It's about everything, including veterinary services, research, hundreds of careers, and that's what we're going to celebrate with our partners who bring us Ag Day every year. California Women for Agriculture and the California Foundation for Agriculture in the Classroom. I hope you'll join us on March 19th. Stay tuned to our website, cdfa.ca.gov, and follow us on social media. See you on the 19th of March, Ag Day 2025.